सुनाई दे रहा है?
हाँ,
हेलो, सुनाई दे रहा है?
yes, yes. So, Swamiji, today we have another interesting topic called as time man. So, this is another interesting topic, Swamiji, because if you ask anyone, the most common response nowadays with younger generation or students going to school, colleges, or even the office personnel, the common gesture, the common sentence we hear is, I have no time, I am extremely busy. And most of the time, as I was discussing with few of the young members, they said that they know everything, they know that they should prioritize their work, they should be disciplined, but they can give lecture also on time management. But when it comes to our own life, then most of the youngsters believe that their time management skills are very pathetic, they cannot manage anything. So this brings us to our today's question. Could you please tell us what is this time management and what are the practical tips for time management? Over to you, Swamiji.
Okay. Are you hearing audible? Okay. So that is also, of course, everybody needs time to success in the life, to achieve goal in the life. Whenever there is a question of achieving the goal, they always will find that there is a common questions and problem for all. Start with the examples. Someone is anxiously waiting for an event, say marriage in their family. But he had, after 10 days, there is a start with an on examples. Someone is anxiously waiting for an event, say marriage in their family. And just after the marriage, 15 days, there is an important thing he has to do, which is related to his career. So he is very tensed. He thinking, how can I advance the time? So it is this at his free will or at his desires. He cannot advance the date of time simply tearing the calendars because time is the fixed. You cannot touch the time. Simply tearing the calendars or almanac. It is not possible for everybody, anybody, because we cannot touch the time. That is the first truth. Whatever you think, you cannot touch the time by any way. Time will move in its own speed. There is nothing to touch that can reduce or increase the speed of the time. So, one truth, we cannot do anything to time. We have either freedom or ability to touch the time, manage the time. The another thing is time scale is same to all. Successful person, unsuccessful person, a poor people, a rich people, a great man, and a sinner. 365 days for all. In 1 year, one becomes successful, great, one becomes unsuccessful, unhappy, and sin. Say, for example, Swami Vivekananda, how much he achieved in his short life of 40 years. Whereas you will find the 40 years, some people are not able to achieve anything. They are at a zero level. So, what is the paradox? Time, days, minutes, second, the same for everyone. And we cannot touch the time. We have no power. So, on Einstein explained the theory of relativity in a very simple or layman voice. He said, 5 minutes in a company of unwanted persons appears like 5 years, whereas in an enjoyable person, wanted people, 1 week become a moment. So in either case, time is not important. How time has passed, it is not important, it is not a factor. Factor is how we are reacting to the time, that is the factor. And that determines whether time is plenty or time is inadequate. So our reaction to the time is most important, determine whether time is adequate, inadequate, or plenty. Therefore, time management means our ability to react of a particular situation in a particular time. Our ability or reaction. Without touching time, we can manage ourselves. That means we are react such a way, reaction. Without, we cannot touch the time. So without touching the time, if reaction is such in a given situation, and it will be, you can achieve good things. That is called efficiency, effectively. Your reaction will be such you can achieve your goal. That is called effective way of managing the time. So time management means it is your efficiency, how to react to a given problem in a given situation. So they beautifully say that problem and challenge, there are two words. Those who are not able to manage the time, it is a problem all over the time and throughout the life. And that is a problem for them. But those who are able to manage, that is called challenge. So for challenge, there is no deficiency of the time. Beforehand, you finish the work. So they say problem replaced by the word challenge. The difference is nothing due weightage to the abilities. Challenge is the situation where we want outreach our problems. So efficiency leads to the shortage of the time. Efficiency leads to the plenty of the time. So most of the people working under problem. Successful person, they are working under challenge. So they manage the time. Those who are working under challenge, but those who are working under problem, they cannot manage the time. Always there is a deficiency of the time. No, plenty of time is not. So time is best managed by the people who functions under inspiration, not perspiration. That means challenge. The challenge brings First, in the inspiration, people who are working under inspiration, there is no tiredness of the problem. Obstacles will never come to the way, and they will conquer them. Those working on the problem, all the problems will remain the same. So in this time management, you cannot trust the time by falsely or a misunderstanding. We are managing time. We are not managing time. We are working under inspiration, and we have a efficiency, skillness, management. Your efficiency, if you increase your efficiency, then there is no shortage of the time. You can manage the time. Manage the time means you must manage yourself to increase your efficiency. Now we can ask the questions in short. This is the definition of the time management, and what does it mean? We should work under inspiration, not challenge, not
Yes,
problem.
yes. Swamiji, you have given us the direction as how to deal with time, how to react to day-to-day time related issues and accept it as a challenge. So I have two small questions for you. One is you have mentioned Einstein theory of relativity, that when we come in contact with wanted people, time passes away very fast. But there are when we deal in the society, there are many times when we have to deal with many unwanted people also. That is itself is posing so could you please tell us how to handle that situation? And secondly, one more question, say for example, I have a duty to attend every day at 8 a.m. in the morning, and somehow I am reaching every day late by 15 minutes or half an hour. So how to break this cycle? How to start? What should we? So these are the two questions. One, unwanted people, and tips. Or
See, the moment you define them as unwanted people, that means you are grieved under problem. As I explain you, unwanted people, time pass, not passing at all, take more time, more time. That means unwanted problem means, unwanted people means give problems to me. What is the problem? Problem is undue weightage to the ability. So you should not lower down your ability and make the situation and make these people unwanted. You should think with inspiration. Yes, I can manage, I can handle such a way. So, and I work under inspiration. So unwanted, the moment you define them as unwanted people, this is a problem for you. So problem means undue weightage to your abilities. So you will increase, you think, boosting power. I am working on an inspiration, it is not a problem. I can manage. I think you will get boosted from within. But the moment you think that it's a problem, unwanted people, then you are finished. You have no ability to do it. Second point is this, that reaching late, 15 minutes, 10 minutes that they have it, and most of the people reach there. But as I told, if you manage yourself, these 15 minutes loss by late, you can manage also because of efficiency. See, efficient people, skilled people, even though work 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, their work is wonderful. Profound work they have done within short time, whereas 8 hours they are spending, other people they could not have that kind of success. So this 10-15 minutes late, it is not a problem if you have that kind of inner strength. I work under inspiration. My skillness, efficiency, you can overcome that 10 minutes shortage. So time is in a factor. How you react to the particular situation in particular. Suppose 8 hours work, you have reached here 30 minutes late, 7:30. Time is not factor. 7:30, I have to finish the work with 7:30, 7 hours 30 minutes through my efficiency and skillness. That should be the attitude. It is not late means 10, 15 minutes you know, late. Your concern, I have to finish this uh, achieve target. Finish the target 8 hours a week. Where if a person finish this work 7:30, half an hour less beforehand, he is more capable, experience, skillness is there, efficiency is there. So if you have the efficiency, there is no lack of the time. That is, you can manage the time.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you, Swamiji. Any other question?
Who
Swamiji,
are there?
we have Sudipto, Mukta, Juhi, Reddy, Anand. Swamiji, other end of the spectrum is when we have excess of time. That itself is a problem. So, could you please tell us some tips to all the young minds that then when they have excess of leisure time, what they should be doing or should not be doing so that they should not increase problem in their lives? Any tips with how to handle excess time?
See, again it has come. It is not a excess time. It is a misinterpretation by you.
Okay.
That means you cannot manage the time.
Yes.
Again, you are to be blamed. You cannot arrange such a way to manage the time. So time is excess. If you sit down 24 hours, I will do not do any work and I will be in the house confined to the room. It is the manage yourself. You are not able to manage yourself, so time is excess time is there. That is a problem. And that is a great problem in the human being. That is the problem and creating a lot of nuisance. So again, you are to be blamed because you are not able to manage yourself such a way to manage the time. Manage means whether it is excess or it is less, because your deficiency is that you are not able to manage it. Suppose, for example, I have 8 hours time alone in a holiday. I 2-3 hours I work, 2-3 hours I read, then mind is unrest, not able to do anything. So mind is so unrest, time is excess. You are watching very frequently to watch. When 2 hours will be over, then I'll go to that particular place to engage myself. So these 2 hours excess because of our inefficiency to manage the life. You could have some routine work, some routine, something, some planning should be there. These are the time is there, I will utilize it. You are not utilizing the time, you are misuse the time. That is your mismanagement of yourself. Mismanagement of yourself means mismanagement of the time, and result will be always bad, 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 very bad. Clear?
Yes, Swamiji. Yes. Thank you very much. I think most of us questions. Anybody has any question? Anyone wants to ask with any different perspective or
According to condition of the mind, you have to make a discipline or a routine preference wise. That is a part of management of yourself and management of the time. How will manage the whole day? There should be particular routine. This time this time this time. There is no routine. That means you are shaky. अपना जीवन को जो डिसिप्लिन में डालना है 24 hours holiday, what I will do, no vision is there, no planning is there, so there is no management of the life, so there is no management of the time. When you are watching TV, you are seeing the 1 hour you want to watch the TV, you are watching 2 hours. Array, there is a less of time, less time, less time. So that is a mismanagement. Yourself, you are not able to manage yourself, your taste, your mind. So my time also mismanaged by you.
Yes.
Okay, anything?
Last, as we are discussing, there is good relation of less time and stress in life. I mean, when we have less time, unable to manage it, maybe because of loss of efficiency or laziness or whatever, then there is lot of stress, and then we are set into a vicious cycle. So, could you tell how to the stress element with respect to time?
Stress management, stress related to the time means there is a shortage of the time that creates stress. So in the root, there is a shortage of the time. Why this idea come to your mind? Because you are giving importance to the time, not your ability. So that is why these things will come. It is quite natural. Stress comes because stress, the moment you are giving more undue weightage to ability. I can do it. I can do it. I can do it. If fear is that I cannot do it, I cannot, full of stress. Not only coming to a very particular problems, even in day-to-day routines, if you think that who is going to make a routine 24 hours according to the preparation, I cannot do. Even you are in that stress, a point of the time when your work in the hand is over, time is excess, you are in the stress, क्या करूं क्या करूं क्या करूं, बस दिमाग में चक्कर लगा, स्ट्रेस शुरू हो. Okay,
Yes, thank you, Swamiji. I think no more
thank
questions.
you. My love and blessings. अच्छा रहो, आनंद में रहो.
Thank
जय
you,
हिंद.
Maharaj.